So this is the morning of July 4th, the day after I pulled the motor. The next step is to pull the heads, install new head gaskets correctly this time, and then reassemble it and put it back on the bike. To help, I printed up some sheets I made the first time I removed the head. This is information from the service manual which shows where the crank needs to be when you remove the head. I also printed the chapter for removing the head from the VFR service manual. This told me how hard to torque the bolts and what order to do it in.
Done a similar trick before. Bunch of neodymium magnets. Makes it easy to pick things out. There's my mistake. Right there. That port is wrong. Same part number for VFR and for Magna. What I'm looking at here is this hole, how tiny that is. And apparently that's normal. Here was the old gasket that also had a tiny hole there for the oil. And the other new gasket I have also has a tiny hole. I don't know if you can see it, but it is now on there correctly.
Front head's done. Now onto the back head. Head gaskets fixed, motor's done.